Hello chess lovers! I have a brilliant chess puzzle for you composed by Frantisek, Josef, Prokop, first published in 1925. White to move and draw the game. You can pause the video and try to find the solution. Ready? Well, on the surface it looks like that it's impossible to draw with the white pieces. Black has an extra piece and a powerful passed pawn on e-file, and soon black will finish up white. But it turns out that with the help of a cunning strategical idea, white is managing to draw the game. First, white is playing h7, threatening to promote the pawn to a queen. That's why black plays rook h5, stopping the pawn. And once the rook left the g file, white goes for this amazing castling kingside, creating a dangerous threat, rook f8 check, and then promoting the pawn to a queen. Rook takes h7. Well, if a move like rook g5 check, then simply king f2, and if rook h5, again king g1, repeating the moves. But what happens if black captures on h7? Then white is first playing rook f8 check, and after king a7, white rook is becoming a mad rook. White is playing rook f7, provoking black to capture on f7. And now if a move like rook takes f7, then this is a stalemate and a draw. White king has no legal moves. Now can you understand that whole idea of castling kingside? White king has been maneuvered into a stalemate situation. By the way, instead of playing rook f8 check, if rook f7 straight away, then it turns out that black has this powerful bishop e4 move, and this is going to be winning for black. That's why white is first playing rook f8 check, and only after king a7 we see rook f7, not allowing bishop e4. The bishop is pinned. Now if rook h6, then simply rook f6. Again, white rook is chasing black rook. If rook h8, then rook f8, rook h7, rook f7. This rook will always chase black rook. There will be a threefold repetition. And finally, if rook takes f5, then again we see a stalemate on the board. What a unique puzzle. We first saw that crazy castling kingside, then white rook became a mad rook, chased black rook, and finally a draw with the help of a stalemate. If you enjoyed this amazing puzzle, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More puzzles are coming. Good luck.